This conference will now be recorded.
No audible, ma'am.
All of you open your LiveWire software. All of you open your LiveWire softwares. LiveWire software. Okay. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనం ఈ LiveWire సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ని ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే టెస్టింగ్ టూల్ అన్నమాట. టెస్టింగ్ టూల్ అంటే మనం ఏదైనా సర్క్యూట్ డిజైన్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటామో దాన్ని టెస్ట్ చేసుకోవడం కోసం మనం ఈ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తాము. ఓకే, is my screen is sharing to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే, సపోజ్ మీరు ఐఆర్ సెన్సార్ సర్క్యూట్ కానీ అల్ట్రాసోనిక్ సెన్సార్ సర్క్యూట్ కానీ డిజైన్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు. మీ దగ్గర కాంపోనెంట్స్ మొత్తం ఉన్నాయి. అలా అని చెప్పి ఆ సర్క్యూట్స్ ని బ్రెడ్ బోర్డ్ మీద కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఎప్పుడు కావాలంటే అప్పుడు యూజ్ చేసుకోగలుగుతారా మీరు? అలా యూజ్ చేసుకోలేం కదా. దాన్ని ఐఆర్ సెన్సార్ కానీ లేదా అల్ట్రాసోనిక్ సెన్సార్ సర్క్యూట్ కానీ ఇక్కడ మనం డిజైన్ చేసుకుంటాము. డిజైన్ చేసుకుని అవుట్పుట్ చెక్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత కరెక్ట్ అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చింది అనుకుంటే అప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం పీసీబీలోకి ఎంటర్ అయి అప్పుడు చేస్తాం అనమాట. సో ఈ ఒక LiveWire సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అనేది ఒక టెస్టింగ్ టూల్ గా మనం యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఓకే, all of you got that point? Why you are using this LiveWire software? Okay, next, if you open the LiveWire software means we can observe here some of the icons and create a circuit or open electricity circuits, electronic circuits using LiveWire tutorials. Visit our websites. We can discuss these about these icons later. First of all, create a new circuit. If you want to design a new circuit means click it here on a create a new circuit. Otherwise, you can open the otherwise you can close it. Okay. If you observe means here we can observe so many icons here. Those are file, edit, view, insert. In this file, everybody knows that it's open, new, close, save or save as, paste setup, or you can print it as some other and properties here. Here you observe means these are the some of the circuits are designed here. If you are designing any circuits in this livewire software means we can observe it here. And edit means cut, copy, paste, delete or layer or else symbols or else you can it arrange. You can change the alignment of the circuit or anything. Okay. View means you can want to view it in normal view or page setup layout, or and if you want to add animation to any components means you can add it, or you can change the styles and headers and footers. Okay, you can apply any those of here. In this you can insert, you can observe it means you can have text box, connecting supplier means components. In this power supply so you have battery cell, ground voltage rail, 0 volt rail and input voltage, AC and DC voltage sources, current source, fuse and voltage regulator. Like that for every component we have some of the components here. For connectors means in connectors we can observe is all is all the components are come under the connectors and input components, passive components, discrete semiconductors, logic gates, integrated circuits, output components, measuring. For some components you have to observe any graph means you can take a graph here. Okay. Tools means we can use to want to simulation means or convert to report or anything you have to change means you can use tools here. Next, windows means if you want to use another tab means you can take new window, otherwise just leave that. Here you can observe the second row of this means this is the open and save and print. Here this cut, copy, paste. This is the arrow button is run button. If you after completion of circuit how to run the output, how to run the circuit and how to check the output. For that purpose you have to run it, otherwise pass it or stop the simulation of the circuit. Okay, this is the cursor here. If you want to move the circuit from top to bottom or bottom to top means you can use this hand. If you want to zoom it means take the zoom tool. If you want to delete any node or wire means you have to take this cross mark, and this is the graph and this is the gallery. Gallery means components. In this gallery we have all type of components here. Okay. Next, see the first column, that means vertical line. We have some icons here, that normal, voltage level, current levels, logic levels. Uh, I will explain you after the circuit. Okay, let us design a basic circuit. Okay, the basic circuit means just we have to on the LED. Okay, for glowing LED means what type of components we have to need? Power supply and you can LED is the output component or input components. Let me know that first.
Food component.
Okay. Can you please repeat again? LED is input component or output component? Respond in the chat box. Okay, LED is it's not an input component, it is output component. LED is an output component. Let's design it. Output component LED. What is the operating voltage of an LED? What is the operating voltage of an LED? If you know that means, please post in the chat box. It's 3.3 volts. Operating voltage of an LED is 3.3 volts. Here, let's connect it. For connecting for connecting one component to another component means, just place the cursor at the end of the terminal and drag it. Okay, and just give one click on the place and take it turn. మీకు మీకు ఇట్లా సైడ్ న కరు రావాలి అనుకుంటే జస్ట్ వన్ క్లిక్ ఇవ్వండి. వన్ క్లిక్ ఇచ్చి మూవ్ చేస్తే మీకు ఇట్లా కర్వ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ రన్ ద సర్క్యూట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎల్ఈడి ఇస్ గ్లోయింగ్. మనకి యాక్చువల్ గా రియల్ గా డైరెక్ట్ గా 9 వోల్ట్స్ ఇచ్చి ఎల్ఈడి కి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఎల్ఈడి అనేది బ్లాస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ బికాస్ ఎల్ఈడి రిక్వైర్స్ ఓన్లీ the operating voltage of an LED means is 3.3 volts. Let's check the voltage between the input side and output side. By using voltmeter, it is in measuring components. Take the voltmeter and check the output. See, in this you are getting 8.99 volts approximately 9 volts. సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ లో కాబట్టి ఇలా వస్తుంది. అదే మనం ప్రాక్టికల్ గా కాంపోనెంట్స్ తీసుకుని యూస్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎల్ఈడి అనేది గ్లో అవ్వదండి, బ్లాస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సపోజ్ ద ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ వోల్టేజ్ టేక్ రెజిస్టర్. మన రెజిస్టర్ యూస్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే, చెప్పండి మన రెజిస్టర్ ఎందుకు యూస్ చేస్తాము? Please respond in chat box why we use resistors. Okay, to control the flow of current. Just removing this. Okay, let's check the output here. If we are giving 9 volts to 9 volts to the LED, means the resistor is dropping the some amount of voltage and current. In the output of the LED is at the output of the LED it requiring 1.58 volts. Okay, you can change the properties of here. Just right click on the component and click on properties, means you can change the properties also. Okay, if you are decreasing the value of resistance, means here the voltage level at the output is increasing. Okay, those who completed this circuit, please share that picture in WhatsApp group. ఏదో సర్క్యూట్ డిజైన్ కంప్లీట్ చేశారో దాన్ని వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో పోస్ట్ చేయండి. If only one person posted the picture, what about remaining? This is not the theoretical section, it is complete practical section. PCB means, okay, we don't have any laptops, means please arrange laptops for tomorrow's section. Okay, I'm giving one task to you. If I on the switch means the LED will want to glows. స్విచ్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఆన్ చేస్తామో ఎల్ఈడి అనేది ఆన్ అవ్వాలి, స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎల్ఈడి అనేది ఆఫ్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, did you understand the task? Okay, Chayan, let's do it. If you want to delete the node means just select the node and delete it. Okay. If I on the switch means the LED is glowing. If I off the switch means the LED is in off state. Okay. How many of you doing the circuit? Those who complete the circuit, post the picture in WhatsApp group. How many of you preparing the circuit? How many of you doing the circuit? Just click on the switch, automatically it will turn on. Okay, just click on the switch. My doubt is clarified. Now let's take another circuit. How many of you know about adapter circuit? Or else what is meant by adapter? It is nothing but a mobile charger. Okay. It converts AC to DC. Such a circuit, what kind of components we need? Okay, I'm taking the new file here. For that AC adapter circuit, we require AC voltage source and okay, it's full bridge full bridge rectifier. For that, what type of components we need? What type of components do we require for this adapter circuit or bridge rectifier circuit? Okay, let me explain connection for the circuit. Is it okay or is there any changes in the circuit? Please respond. Here I am taking the oscilloscope means for checking the output. Okay. Next, take a graph. Okay. Did I miss any connection here? Circuit is completed or not? Let's check the output. Change the graph properties. Here again 10 volts means okay. Let's run the circuit. Okay. Here the red color line indicates the input of the input terminal and blue color line is indicating as output of the terminal, output of the circuit. Okay. How many of you completed the circuit? Am I audible to you all? Okay, thank you, Mr. Praveen, for responding. What about remaining? You following or not? Okay. Next, okay, thank you, Nagarjuna Sri. Let's take design another circuit, that is fire alarm circuit. I think everybody knows about fire alarm, right? Yes or no? I think everybody knows about fire alarm circuit. If only one person responded means I think she only know that. What type of components do we need to make fire alarm circuit? మనం ఏదైనా ప్లేస్ లో ఉంటున్నాము అంటే అక్కడ ఫైర్ యాక్సిడెంట్ ఏదైనా జరిగినప్పుడు మనకి ఒక అలర్ట్ అవ్వడానికి యూస్ చేసే అలర్ట్ అవ్వాలి అంటే మనకి ఏదైనా బజర్ లాంటివి మోగాలి. So we are not using 555 timer. We are using transistor. By using the transistor, we are designing it fire alarm circuit. Okay. మనకి బజర్ అనేది ఆన్ సౌండ్ రావాలి ఇప్పుడే ఫైర్ యాక్సిడెంట్ అనేది అయినప్పుడు. సో ఫస్ట్ we can take the buzzer from output components. Next, take the resistor and variable resistor for varying the resistance or temperature. Next, take and diode. For rotating the components, you can have to click Control R. Okay. If you give Control R means the component will rotate. I think everyone understand that how to rotate the component. Next, the last but not the least component is transistor. Take an NPN transistor. Okay. Let's give the connection. Give buzzer one end of the output to the collector of the transistor and connect base of the transistor to one end of the resistor and resistor to diode. Okay, connect diode in between of variable resistance and resistor. Select capacitor here from our supply to end of the another end of the buzzer. Okay, next connect resistor to variable resistor to 9 volts battery power supply. Limited to negative of the battery power supply and these two also. Okay, clear about the connections. For making the perfect output, have to check values while observing the output. Okay. Are you following? Do you understand the circuit? Are you following or not? Okay, thank you. Let's check the output of this spiral RM circuit. Here I'm observing the output of this buzzer. ఇక్కడ నాకు బజర్ యొక్క అవుట్పుట్ అర్థమవుతుందండి, మీకు కూడా అర్థమవుతుందా? If you are doing this means we can observe the buzzer output. I forgot to say about these voltage level and current logic levels. Let's see about those. Voltage levels means మనకి ఇక్కడ వోల్టేజ్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎటు పాస్ అవుతుంది అనేది మనకి చూపిస్తుందండి ఇండికేషన్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో. కరెంట్ ఫ్లో అంటే మనకి కరెంట్ అనేది ఎటు నుంచి ఎటు ఫ్లో అవుతుందా అనేది చూపిస్తుంది. లాజిక్ లెవెల్ మీన్స్ ఏది లాజిక్ 1 లాజిక్ 0 అనేది మనకి ఇక్కడ చూసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, next more means here we can observe the background of the, if you want to change the background of the circuit means you can change it. If you take white or black means it will look like here, otherwise black on white means like this. Okay, other sample styles we can observe here. Okay, did everyone got the point? What about remaining? Are they got the point or not? Okay, what kind of circuit do you want to design next? We will discuss ICs or 555 timers tomorrow. Okay, ICs కానీ 555 timers కానీ tomorrow discuss చేద్దాం. మీరు ఏదైనా సర్క్యూట్ డిజైన్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నారో సర్క్యూట్ చెప్పండి. ఆ సర్క్యూట్ డిజైన్ చేద్దాం ఇవాళ. Explain new components in gallery if possible means what kind of components? What kind of components do you want? Do you need explanation of Nagarjuna garu? Integrated circuit means we'll discuss about those tomorrow. You want this day means I will explain this day only. You want today or tomorrow? in basic circuits. Okay, calling bell. Ma'am, design a circuit for calling bell. Okay. It's very easy circuit. Calling bell means for calling bell means first you have to take power supply. It needs power supply, no? Take power supply and from passive components select resistor, input components take push button, and from output components take the buzzer. Okay, connect the circuit. You press the button means the buzzer will be on. Okay, and here I am getting the output for above circuit. Let's wait for Sorry for inconvenience. Let's design the doorbell circuit, calling bell. And that we have to take an audio buzzer or a loudspeaker. And a push button or a switch and power supply and a transformer and one transistor and we require 3 4 capacitors and 4 resistors from next Here I missed anything means let me know that. If anyone designed the circuit, mean please post it in a WhatsApp group. Is my voice audible? Are you following the circuit? Let those who complete the circuit please post it in the chat box. Chat box means WhatsApp group. Okay. How many of you designing the circuit? How many of you are following or designing the circuit? Please respond. Okay, Purnima Priyanka, please post that picture in the chat box. Okay, here I got the output. What about remaining? I think some people posted here. It's okay. Only one person following, I think, following the circuit. What about remaining people? Software not working means I will share the another live wire link in the WhatsApp group. You may use that software, okay? Okay, guys, I hope you understand these concepts here. Some people are some people its live wire software is not working. Some you are facing issues with that. Okay, don't worry with that issues. I will share another live wire link. You can download it. You can install it and use it. Okay. For tomorrow, we are going to discuss about 555 timer IC and its applications and basic circuits by using 555 timer ICs. Okay. Let's resume the class today. We will meet tomorrow. Be safe. Thank you for all.